Hello and welcome to Coding Interview Problems. I'm going to start this little series as I'm preparing for my own interview, and every day I'll try to solve at least one coding problem. Today's problem is a pretty easy one. Now, keep in mind, I'm not necessarily like a super beginner, but I'm preparing for internships, so it's not going to be like super difficult problems. So today's problem is the majority element. So given an array of nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n over 2 times. You can assume the majority element always exists in the array. And we have a couple of examples. So the first example, we have an array 3, 2, 3, and we output 3 because 3 is the majority element. Then we have 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, so that's 4 twos. I'm assuming if the value is tied for the most, so you just return the first one that pops up in the array. I don't think we're going to have to deal with that though. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about what we want to do here. So one approach we could do is let's go ahead and do the easy approach first, and then maybe we could optimize further later on. So first approach, I'm going to store the values of the list in a dictionary, and each time the value comes up, I will update dictionary value for that value. Alright, and then we're just going to return highest count. Okay, I believe this solution is going to be an O of n. Time complexity, because what I'm going to do is let's see. So my approach for this is going to be, I'll put the elements in the dictionary every time it's a new element. If it's not in the dictionary, and store it in the dictionary. If it is in the dictionary, update the element value. And then at the end, I'm going to go through the dictionary, and whichever key has the highest value, then just return that key. Okay. So let's see, values equals dictionary, and for num in nums, it's pretty basic, like num in nums. If values dot contains key, pretty sure that's not the method. Let's see, keep in mind I'm still a newbie at Python, so how to see if if dictionary contains key in Python. Alright, let's see. Check key value exists in dictionary. Alright. Dude, why are they giving me their whole history? Just tell me the thing. Let's see. Clear screen. Okay. So if string num in values, then values string num plus equals 1, else oh man, I'm so rusty. Alright, value exists in dictionary. Okay. Else values at the string num equals 1. Okay. Just to test this out, I'm going to go ahead and print values. Alright, let's see. Let's just see. Watch syntax error. Pretty sure, yeah. Alright. Let's see. None is not valid for the value of return type. Oh. Okay, we'll just return 0 for now. Alright. Let's see. Just want to see. Okay. That's nice. So it seems like we're getting 2 3s and 1 2. That's good. Now, let's see. What we could do now, so this is working. So now we're going to go ahead and go through the values and see which is highest. Alright. Go through the keys and see which value is highest. And I believe we could do for key value in values. Pretty sure you can do that. And I'm going to have right here, so this is going to be a dict that stores values of the nums and whatever, and then this is going to be the highest value equals, and then I'll just do 0 for now. Alright. So let's see. If values key highest value equals 0, and then value count equals 0. So this is going to be stores highest value. Let's see. And then this is going to store highest value count. So if the values key is greater than the highest value, then we're going to go ahead and highest value equals int key. What's this? Hold on. Okay. And the value count. Oh, this should be value count, because we're checking if the count for the key is greater than this value count, right? So the value count will be equal to value. Alright, this is going to be equal to the key value. And if it's not, I guess we're going to do nothing. Let's go ahead and test this out. So we'll just return highest value. Alright, let's go ahead and try that. Alright, not enough values to unpack. Expected 2 got 1. Alright, let me see. Stack Overflow again. Use for loop to iterate dictionary. Alright, let's see. Python iterating over dictionaries using for loops. For key in D, for key value in D.items. That's right. I'm such a silly goose. Values dot items. Such a silly goose. Alright. Let's see. On God. Okay, that's good. Very nice. And yippee! Yeah, it's not a good solution. But it's a solution. That's good. So how can we optimize this? Because what we're doing is we're using a dictionary to store the values. And where's the print statement? Oh, I guess I removed that. But we're using a dictionary to store the values, right? Potentially, could we potentially store the values? So we could sort the values in the array, right? And then instead of using a dictionary for all the values, we could just count the values and see whichever has the highest count, right? So I'm going to go ahead and comment this out. This is first solution right here. Second solution. So solution number 2 is going to be, let's see. So second solution, what we're going to try to do is sort the items. So first, sort the items in the list, right? And let me, no, I didn't do that for the last one. Then go through the list. So we're going to go through the list and we're going to store item count and store current item. If current item count is less than next item count, we're going to go ahead and update highest count item, and we're going to go ahead, so update the highest count item. Yeah, that's pretty much it, right? So first things first, Python is super cool because you can just go ahead and do nums equals nums.sort. Pretty sure that's what it is. We're probably going to get a syntax error for that, but probably not. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Then we're going to store the highest value, right? So highest value equals 0. And then value count equals 0. Okay? And for value num in nums, if okay. So we could we just do let's just do this. Let's do this. Let's just do this. Yeah, value highest value equals nums 0. I'll just do this as 1, assuming that the let's see. So are we always guaranteed to have items in the array? They don't say anything about it. So we could go ahead and do if nums. No, yeah, because I'm pretty sure we're going to guarantee to have something. Yeah, for num in nums, if let's see, if num equals let's just start this at 0 and then start this at 0. If num equals highest value, so if we are currently iterating through the numbers, right, the same number, then we're going to do value count plus equals 1. So we go ahead and say currently iterating through same numbers, right? then we're going to add 1 to the value. If we are else, if we're iterating through like other numbers, right? So like let's say we do 1, 1, 1, then like 1, 1, 1, but then we go to a 2. If we hit a number that isn't the highest value, right? Then what we want to do is let's see. I'm going to have a current value equals 0. Current value, highest value, and then value count. Alright, so if the num is equal to the highest value, then value count plus equals 1. If we encounter a new number, then value count equals 1, because new number is still going to be like a count and we're iterating through it. And then we're going to, let's see, yeah, so encounter new number. We're going to set the value count equal to 1. Num equals current value and current value equals num. Yeah, so we counter a new number, then we set the current value equal to the num and the value count to 1. Okay, if num is equal to current value. Alright, and then at the beginning, we're going to check. Let's see, my mom might be here. Oh, okay. If if the, so check if the and we should have highest count as well. Highest count equals 0. Check if the, I'll just change this to current count. Current count equals 0. Check if the current count is greater than highest count. Count greater than high count. Let's change this to current count. Current count. And then this will be current count. Alright, so if current count greater than highest count, so if the current count that we're going through is greater than the highest count, that's the new highest count, then we're going to go ahead and set the highest value equals current value and the highest count equals current count. I feel like there's better names for this. There have to be, but. And finally, we're going to return highest value. I believe this is O of 1 space. Pretty sure it's O of 1 time, because sorting is O of 1 time. Alright, let's see. Where is... Oh, yeah. Silly goose. Silly goose. Alright. Yeah, so we are going to have a... No, because we're just running. These run test cases don't have... None type object is not iterable for num in nums. Oh, is it just nums dot sort? Yeah, because I think it was sort doesn't return anything, it just sorts it. Okay. Output is 2. Output is 1. Alright, so in this for loop, let's go ahead and print highest value, highest count, current value, current count. And then before the for loop, let's go ahead and print the nums. Alright. Let's see. Alright, so we have nums. They're all 0. And the current value is 2. The current count is 1. Highest value is 2. Alright, so what I'm thinking of doing right now is I think what's going on is it's like running starting at 0, right? So I think we might just have to do for index in range len nums, and we'll start it from 1. And all these are just going to be nums 0, 1, nums 0, 1. Yeah, I feel like that's a lot easier. Yeah, okay. So it's gonna be nums index and nums index as well. Alright, let's go ahead and test that out because we're gonna start from like 1, and it's still gonna do 2, right? Yeah, 2, 1, 2. Why isn't it doing the last value? Let's see, so it's doing 2 and then 3. It's just counting 1, 3. And then at the end of the for loop, I want to go ahead and print this. Alright. Let's go ahead and run that. Let's see what prints out at the end of the for loop. No, yeah, we should. Okay. So 4 2s and 1 3. Alright, so we are getting the count of the values, which is good. But it's still setting current value equal to 2, right? Let's do greater than or equal to. I don't know if this is gonna work. Holy shit. Famous last words. But it's worse. I think because of these print statements. I don't know. I don't think that's gonna contribute too much. Is it worse? I think it might be a little better. I don't know. Oh, shoot. Okay. So, yeah. It is better in terms of runtime. 90% of users, because this is just O of n. I believe the last solution was also O of n. But with this solution, it only iterates through the list one time as opposed to twice for the dictionary, which is based on O of n as well. And I believe this is also better in terms of space. Hold on, my mom is calling me. Hey, let's go.
What's going on?
Oh, I'm just filming a video right now.
Oh, at home?
Yeah, yeah.
Are the bees there?
Well, yeah, but it's like a screen recorded video, and I'm in my room. It's not like.
I'm so sorry. Okay, well, listen, I'm gonna be there in like 10 minutes, okay? So do you want me to just text you when I'm there and you'll come out?
Yeah, yeah, sounds good.
Okay, I can't wait.
Okay, I love you. Bye.
Let's do it. Bye.
Bye. Okay. All right. Yeah, that was my mom. But yeah, I'm not too mad at this. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So yeah, this one was a lot slower, but still, the memory. And then this one, wait, there's no way the memory is. The same. Yeah, it's the same memory. How is it the same memory? Let's see. No, yeah, I don't have any. Because I'm literally just defining. Oh, it might be because I'm doing the nums.sort. Alright, Stack Overflow time. So, does nums.sort take up memory in Python? Is it because nums.sort does like the merge sort? Okay, nums.sort returns a sorted copy of an array. Oh, numpy.sort. Oh, this is the numpy reference. Alright. Well, I think I'm kind of running out of time to do this, but yeah, thank you for watching my first video recording. This is the first interview question that I went over. Again, this is the majority element question. Finds the majority element in array. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you tomorrow for the next one.